Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Hema here. So today I'm going to talk about the most common problem, which is hair fall. I know every second person is facing this problem. I got many requests to make a video on it, what I do for my hair. So I thought why not, and also people asked me to talk in Hindi, make a video in Hindi. So मैं try करूँगी हिंदी में बात करना. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So firstly, you need to understand that certain amount of hair loss is very normal. If you find few strands in your brush, don't get stressed, because the more you get stressed, the more it will aggravate the problem. So be calm, and also 85% of men and 45% of women face this problem. The cause for hair loss for different people is different, so is the treatment. So you need to understand what is the cause of your hair fall, and also you need to understand it is not a cosmetic problem at all. It is underlying medical condition like anemia, nutritional deficiency, PCOS, thyroid. So you need to get it checked. And also hair is protein, so you need to add a lot of protein into your diet, which you can get it from pulses, dal, soya bean, and also add folic acid in your diet, which is beans, citrus fruits, leafy vegetables. And you won't believe, the major cause, the root cause of hair fall is dandruff. Yes, you heard it right, dandruff is the major cause for hair fall. I used to have a lot of dandruff before, and I used a lot of anti-dandruff shampoos, local products, but they just gave temporary relief, because dandruff is associated with skin disease like eczema, psoriasis, seborrheic dermatitis. You need to get treated from a homeopathy. Yes, I repeat, homeopathy doctor will help you to remove your dandruff completely and get a permanent solution. तो अभी मैं आपको कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट बातें बताऊंगी जिससे आपको ध्यान में रखना है इन योर डे टू डे लाइफ. इट विल हेल्प यू रिड्यूस योर हेयर फॉल. सो मैंने देखा है लड़कियां खूब सारा ऑयल लगाती है बिफोर हेयर वॉश, विच इज़ कम्प्लीटली रॉन्ग. क्या होता है, हम बहुत सारा ऑयल लगाते हैं बालों में, तो उस ऑयल को निकालने के लिए हम खूब सारा शैम्पू यूज़ करते हैं. तो उस वजह से हमारे बालों का जो नेचुरल ऑयल होता है वो निकल जाता है, बाल बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई और फ्रीजी हो जाता है. अगर आपका स्कैल्प नेचुरली ऑयली है तो ऑयल बिल्कुल यूज़ नहीं करना है. आई माई सेल्फ डोंट यूज़ ऑयल बिफोर हेयर वॉश. इंस्टेड गो फॉर मसाजिंग. मसाजिंग आपको ब्लड सर्कुलेशन में हेल्प करेगा, एंड इवेंचुअली इट विल हेल्प इन न्यू हेयर ग्रोथ. सेकेंड थिंग इज, डोंट वॉश योर हेयर विथ हॉट वाटर. वो आपके बालों के रूट्स को बहुत ज़्यादा वीक बना देता है, एंड इट विल जस्ट ट्रिगर हेयर फॉल. So use cold water, moderately cold water for hair wash. It will help in blood circulation. And the most important thing is using styling tools, heating tools. They damage your hair like crazy. मैंने अपने बालों को इतना टॉर्चर किया है when I was in school, college, by using all this tong machine and straightener and dryer. Then I realized, अगर आप यूज़ कर रहे हो then make sure heat protector लगा रहे हो उसके पहले, and make sure that you are using as less as you can. अभी आप पूछोगे how do I get my this curls and all. मैंने कोई हीटिंग टूल्स यूज़ नहीं किए हैं. What I have done is, मैंने रात को ही हेयर वॉश कर लिया था, and damp hair में I just took small braids and I just went off to sleep, and in the morning I just applied this dry shampoo. It is from V Blunt and I got this effect. अगेन मैंने देखा है लड़कियां हेयर को ड्राई करने के लिए आफ्टर हेयर वॉश इतना झटक झटक के बालों को टॉर्चर करती है. प्लीज़ डोंट डू दैट. एंड ऑल्सो इफ़ दे आर नॉट इन रश तो भी वो लोग ड्रायर यूज़ करते हैं. अगर आप जल्दी में नहीं हो तो जस्ट लीव योर हेयर लाइक दैट. इट विल ड्राई नेचुरली, and be a little gentle to your hair. And also sleep is very important. It will help new hair growth, and also skin को भी बहुत बहुत अच्छा करता है. A good sleep for like 7 to 8 hours is very necessary. And the most important thing is stress. Get stress out of your life completely. I know it is not possible, but कम लो, जितना हो सकता है उतना स्ट्रेस कम लो, बिकॉज स्ट्रेस हर चीज़ का जड़ है. सब में बी इट स्किन, योर बॉडी, ऑल डिजीजेज, योर हेयर लॉस, स्ट्रेस इज द मेजर कॉज. एंड ऑल्सो वन थिंग आई फॉरगॉट इज वाइल स्लीपिंग, बहुत ज़्यादा टाइट बर्न या फिर कंप्लीटली लूज मत छोड़ो बालों को. जस्ट लूज एक बर्न बना के विच इज वेरी लूज एंड कंफर्टेबल बर्न बना के जस्ट गो ऑफ टू स्लीप, सो दैट वाइल स्लीपिंग इट वोंट डिस्टर्ब योर हेयर. सो ये सारी दिस इज़ वेरी कॉमन एंड स्मॉल थिंग्स हमें पता भी नहीं होती है, बट इफ़ यू टेक केयर ऑफ इट देन इट विल रियली हेल्प टू रिड्यूस योर hair fall. So now I will show you one amazing home remedy. It will really help you reduce your hair fall. मैं खुद इसे करती हूँ since 5 years now and it has really helped my hair fall, reduce my hair fall, and it has made my hair look healthy, shiny, and it is very easy to do. So what you need to have is freshly chopped onions, and put these onions into a muslin cloth like this and just squeeze it. Just squeeze it to have the onion juice, and add some aloe vera to it and make a thin paste. And then what you need to do is, it's going to look like this. Just apply this paste all over to your hair and leave it for like 30 minutes. इसका स्मेल बहुत ही strong है, so if you can resist that smell, and just wash your hair after 30 minutes. Do this continuous for 7 days. It is called 7 days onion mask challenge. So do this continuous for 7 days and you will definitely see the difference. And thank me later. तो उम्मीद करती हूँ आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया. And don't forget, you are beautiful just the way you are. And as I always say, be dramatic, as we girls love drama. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe it. Don't forget to share, comment, like, and also let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And I'll see you soon. Bye.